Say hello to everyone. Today I am and my Lego friends wanna show you one of my favorite screwdriver. It's a Felo Ergonomics, so I have it few years. I use it a lot. So I have what to say about it. What is good, why I like it so much. And maybe make some comparisons. This is Felo. It's something like Vera Z-Club but cheaper. Vera Z-Club, I don't know. I look into the Google, so Vera Z-Club something like $150. This is why was $35, and I see in the local marketplace pretty same like Felo, but it was China's no name, $15. So China's no name and Vera, it's a 10 time difference between China's and Vera. So ergonomics, it's originally it was said made in Germany, so it's made in Germany. It's pretty solid. I use some others my video to show you comparisons different screwdriver that I have. Actually, it's just a little bit of regular screwdriver, but for my hands it's pretty comfortable. I like it very much. You see it? For me it's good and I like it. This is rubber. It is really soft. You can it squeeze it to apply more force. So first thing good in this screwdriver, you can use different bits for it. Maybe longer, maybe short, or like this regular, maybe this is standard 2-inch or 50 millimeters bits. So you don't need to grab many screwdriver, you just can grab bit what you have. Maybe this is some bit holders like this, or you maybe can use like this. You see many types of bit. Actually you can use nut drivers, any bits that have standard 1x4 collet. You see it has a collet chuck, so it has opening. I don't know, you don't see maybe, but it don't has magnets insert. Actually, I said about Vera has insert bits in the handle. It doesn't have. It is rubber and it is plastic part. This is plastic part. This is like this, something like this, big plastic part, and this is above to side. It's a rubber, soft rubber. Another difference between Vera and Felo, this is gear. It's definitely bigger. Vera has little gear, and Vera has the socket 3x8 to use socket, standard socket. For this you need to use the nut drivers. And how it's working, you just take bit what you need, push it like this, Okay, well done. I make it by one hand. It has little wobbling, but maybe wobble, you see, yeah? But most wobbling in this gear part. You have this knob, you see, and pin go out, so you can change position. It has 5 different positions: 90 degree, 45 degree, and straight, and opposite direction. It is easy to use, easy to operate it. So comparisons to the Vera. Vera don't have this is part. This is actually a clutch mechanism. You see, you can left or right, or it is will be locked. You see, locked? No, it's not locked. This is locked position. No, it's another side. Okay. Oh, it is locked position. You see, can use different bit. For tight place, maybe use short one. And what you have? You have more distance between. You can use. So in the tight place, were really best, really better that ergonomic, but in tight place you need put your arm inside. So in tight place maybe I use another ratchet. So what's the bad in this thing? I don't set it bad. I will set it is it has lack of design that it can't use bit like this. You see, schneck, it's too far and it's not positioned. Yeah. It's not holding in. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe the channel, leave the comments, like this video. I and my Lego friends will be appreciated you for it. See you next time.